Good morning from Sydney.
Welcome to a new vlog.
We've just had some breakfast, we'll insert a picture here.
And we're going to go whale watching today.
Are you excited, Mum?
Oh, can't wait. Hello, can't wait.
We just picked up our tickets and we're getting ready for our whale watching. Taking our seasickness tablets. And that's the boat we're going to get on.
There it is. Just hoping that it'll reach again.
Oh.
Sometimes will just travel by themselves. Females will pretty much always be in a pod too. To put their size into a bit of perspective.
We're on our way back to shore now.
Saw a couple of whale tails.
A lot of big whale tails, no breaching whales yet.
Yeah, get everyone to take a seat.
We're at the Sydney Opera.
Just having some lunch now. We've got some chips, calamari, some spicy chicken and lamb quesadillas and a little bit of a view.
I've got wet wipe. I've got wet wipe.
Is it bad?
Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear. Having a lovely meal in front of the Sydney Opera House, and he gets pooped on. Poopy poopies.
Stop it.
That was good. About to go inside. Here, just from another angle, there's a bridge. We're going to be walking right up there. And there's also really nice views out this way. The Manly Ferry. Thoughts on the Opera House?
It's cool. It's bigger than I thought it would be. It's also not as white as I thought it would be.
What would you give it out of 10?
9 out of 10. It's very impressive.
It's a very cool building. Shame you can't go in it more than what you can do. Very cool. We're here at the Nurses Walk in Sydney, so we're going to go and have a walk up it. We're now heading to Fortuna 4, which as I said is Sydney's oldest pub. See what drinks they do inside. Some cool old drawings here, like the Endeavour. Famous shit. Oh.
Just here at Sydney's oldest pub. Got a ginger beer and Louis got a Guinness.
What have you got, Mum?
I've got ginger beer. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. G-split.
How do I do a boomerang? Can you do boomerang? Can you do boomerang?
How about?
It's not bad. We've just got back after a busy day and we're having a cup of tea on the balcony.